Honda finally dropped, and we got another Yeezy 350 V2. But the Honda finally dropped. Cartier Jones
on the soundtrack.
Yes, sir. The Yeezy 350 V2 Lite. Not a bad sneaker. Does give me remembrance of the Sesame. If y'all remember the Yeezy Sesame, I know we done had a whole bunch of Yeezy colorways in the 350 and the V2. A lot of colorways, man. But this gives me Sesame vibes mixed with cream white vibes, as y'all can see here. You can't really tell them apart, man. I love Yeezy. I'm happy he's finally. Let's get rid of these. I love Yeezy. I'm happy he's finally back from whatever he was going through. Put out a good album. But the Yeezy 350s either have to stop or get a little more different. That's my opinion. But it is a clean shoe. If you're new, man, welcome to Sneaker Notes, man. Thanks for checking in. If you haven't, hit subscribe, man. All the fire content right here. So today we're reviewing the latest 350 from Yeezy, the V2 Lite. And I want to get into a full review of these, trying to see what we see different. Because I feel like if you own one 350, you own them all, but hit the music. Unboxing time. Yes, sir. So, everybody knows, I don't think the Yeezy box is ever going to change. Like, I've been asking for it for a year and a half now, but you get your regular brown Yeezy box, which I loved when it first came out. Simple brown paper bag look. I loved it, but I feel like with the more you go in V2 and you're changing it, I think the box will change a little, but if it ain't broke, don't fix it. The colorway reads light, 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 light. That's crazy, man. Kanye's so freaking different. And here you have it. Let's get a 360 view of the sneaker. Now, my highlight of the sneaker is, of course, the pull tab. Even though I know I'm saying we never, like, these Yeezys always look the same, I don't think we never seen a color quite like this. This look like when you burn plastic and it turns into like that creamish color, as you can see there. I think that's dope. And I always like the Yeezy with the pull tab. I own Belugas and Beluga 1.0 or 2.0, whatever they call it. I own both of them, and one has the pull tab and one don't. I like the pull tab because if you know and you own the Yeezy with the sock, you need that pull tab sometimes to, you know, help you get the sneaker in. It has your 3-stripe logo there and that same light colorway, I guess we're calling it. The soles say Yeezy in red. I wish it was some red on the outsole of the sneaker, but the soles is dope there. The shoestrings is the same color as the sneaker, the light. There go your Boost technology down there. It comes with your only Adidas is still doing this. Your tags on the shoestring. There you go, boom. And like I said, you seen one, you seen all. The sneaker's definitely original as far as color. There go the V2 difference, as you can see my thumb there. That's what makes a V2 a V2. This little, I guess you could call it translucent line in there. Shout out to Supreme, man. That was so dope. Happy to live in New York City. I was able to get on the Supreme train. Shout out to Supreme. But right here, this is the streetwear segment. And show y'all a few pickups that I picked up over the last couple of days that I forgot to show on the channel. So first off, we're going to start with Supreme since we saw the Supreme train. The Rick Rubin tee. Yes, sir. And I remember this tee was supposed to come out last year, or no, 2 years ago. And I was hyped for it. I'm a big Def Jam fan, big Rick Rubin fan. And they canned it. But it came out this season, first week. And that's the Rick Rubin tee. It also came with a deck of cards from Supreme. That was the free gift. Shout out to Supreme. And besides the Rick Rubin tee, I also got a couple of EE hats, man. Shout out to Eric Emanuel, man. I'm so happy for his success, man. I really wasn't into these at first, and then when I tried to get into it, I had to keep drawing the box around the biggest cat. And I loved how y'all try to keep the bots away, but man, that's annoying. So I got the Arizona Diamondback joint. I always felt like this was like one of the best MLB hat logos, period. And of course, you know, I got the Dodgers hat. I went for these two first instead of going for the Yankees because we know the Yankees are going to sell out first. So, Dodgers, Eric Emanuel, streetwear segment is over. Yes, sir. So right now, prices is like a little above retail. I'm talking like $260. If you live in New York, you know that Yeezys is usually $239 with tax. So another $20 if you really want this sneaker. I say go get it. Of course, it's sold out retail wise, but $260 on the resale market's not that bad if you want them. Now, if you're a reseller, you're probably a little sick. But that's the game you play with Yeezy 350s, man. Like, there's so many of them, and so many stores get them now. Like, I actually got this pair from Nordstrom's. So you got Nordstrom's and Finish Line and Jimmy Jazz sometimes, along with your Foot Actions, your Foot Lockers, Adidas, Yeezy Supply. So many ways to get them now. So the Boost, 350 Boost really went down far as pricing wise for the resellers. Yeah, so quick review on the Yeezy lights. I don't think they reflect nothing. I guess the light is just the white mixed in with like the Horizon colorway. Shout out to Yeezy, man. Donda's out. Everybody get rich.